In today's video, I will teach you how to change text into an image using Photopea. Let's get started. First, open Photopea in your web browser. Then click File, select Open, then select your image file from your computer. Now we're going to remove the existing text. If the background behind the text is simple or solid colored, you can simply use the brush tool to paint over it. To do this, click on the brush tool icon in the toolbar on the left side, or simply press B on your keyboard. Then hold down the Alt key and click on the area around the text to pick the color from the image. This will set the selected color as the foreground color. Now release the Alt key and begin painting over the text to cover it. Then adjust the brush size from the top menu to speed up the process. If the background has slight variations in color, you may need to repeat the process and pick different colors for different areas. And for images with complex backgrounds, like textures or patterns, it's best to use the healing brush tool to blend the background seamlessly. To do this, choose the healing brush tool from the toolbar located just above the brush tool. Now hold down the Alt key and click on the clean area of the background near the text. This will define the source for cloning. Then release the Alt key and paint over the text. Then the tool will clone the background from the source point, making it appear as if the text was never there. You can also use the healing brush tool to remove other elements as well, like unwanted objects or blemishes. Now we're going to add your new text. Simply click on the Type tool or simply press T on your keyboard. Then click on the image where you want the new text to appear. Then start typing. You will see the text appear as you type. Now select the text by pressing Ctrl-A or clicking and dragging over it. Then adjust the style using the options in the top menu. And once you're happy with the edits, simply go to File, then Export As, then select JPG or PNG. Then adjust the quality settings if needed, and click Save to download the edited image to your computer. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.